Good morning, friends. This is Surjit Arora. I track the auto and auto ancillary sector here. Basically, yesterday Bharat Forge came out with a very good set of numbers, with the top line improving by 21% on a year-on-year basis and bottom line increasing by 47%, which was ahead of our as well as street estimate. Overall, we believe that going forward with the strong outlook both in US and Europe, where they have seen a 30% kind of growth on a year-on-year basis, the outlook remains to be strong and the valuation also seems to be attractive at this point of time. Overall, we believe in the next 2 years the company will report around 12-13% top line growth with a bottom line growth of around 23% for next 2 years on a CAGR basis. On that basis, the stock is currently trading at 6.5 times EV by EBITDA FY13 and around 13.5 times FY13 PE. Given the strong traction in volumes both on domestic as well as on the export front, overall 13.5% valuations looks very attractive, and hence we recommend a buy with the SOTP base valuation of around 345 rupees, which is basically based out of 317 rupees for standalone business and 26 rupees for subsidiaries and JVs. Overall, we see around 10 to 12% upside from the current levels of 307 rupees for the stock. And going forward, one major thing which is happening with the company is the non-auto business is growing at 20% plus, and that is accounting for 35% of the top line for the company. That strong traction in non-auto as well as on the export market is likely to continue. Hence, in this context, we believe that 22 to 23% CAGR in profit for next 2 years is a given, and on that context, at 13.5 times price to earning, the stock is trading at very good valuations. Hence, we recommend buying the stock at the current levels of 305 with a target price of 345 in next 6 months. So it's an upside of 11 to 12% from the current levels. We remain positive on this stock per se. Thank you so much.